Hey everyone! About 80 to 90% of women deal with cellulite at some point, so it's super common. But while it's common, it's also something that you'll like to reduce or manage. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. How to get rid of cellulite or reduce its appearance effectively, step by step, at home. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The first and one of the most overlooked steps to improving the appearance of cellulite is staying hydrated. Drinking water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin hydrated, which is essential when it comes to reducing that dimpled look. Why is this important? Dehydration can make cellulite appear worse because when your skin lacks moisture, it becomes thinner and less elastic. According to a study by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, proper hydration plays a key role in maintaining skin elasticity and overall appearance. So, aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, and consider carrying a water bottle with you to track your intake. Next up, you'll want to start using a foam roller. Foam rolling is great because it helps smooth out the connective tissue where cellulite forms. This technique is known as myofascial release, and studies have shown that it can help improve blood circulation and smooth out the appearance of cellulite. Here's how you do it. Sit on the floor and place the foam roller under the area where you have cellulite. This is typically around the thighs or buttocks. Slowly roll back and forth over the area for about 5 to 10 minutes. Do this daily for the best results. Not only does it help reduce cellulite, but it's also a great way to massage sore muscles. Dry brushing is another fantastic, at-home technique you can use. You'll need a body brush with stiff bristles. Dry brushing helps exfoliate dead skin cells, increase circulation, and stimulate your lymphatic system. All of these factors can help reduce the appearance of cellulite over time. To do this, start at your feet and brush upward in long strokes toward your heart. Use firm, but gentle pressure. Do this before you shower, when your skin is dry. According to dermatologists at the Cleveland Clinic, this technique may help improve the skin's tone and texture over time, though it won't necessarily eliminate cellulite completely. But paired with other methods, it's a great addition to your routine. Try a coffee scrub or caffeine cream. This is where things get fun. A coffee scrub is a simple, effective home remedy for cellulite. The caffeine in coffee helps tighten the skin and improve circulation. There was a study from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology that found caffeine-based creams can significantly reduce the appearance of cellulite. Here's what you'll need. Use coffee grounds and some coconut oil. Mix the two together until you get a paste-like consistency. In the shower, massage the scrub onto your problem areas for a few minutes, then rinse it off. If you don't feel like making your own, you can also use a cellulite cream with caffeine for similar benefits. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Apply a retinol-based moisturizer. After you've exfoliated and scrubbed, it's time to lock in some moisture. A moisturizer that contains retinol can be particularly effective. Retinol works by promoting collagen production, which thickens the skin and can reduce the visibility of cellulite. According to research from Harvard Medical School, retinol is one of the most effective ingredients for skin renewal and improving elasticity. Use a retinol-based moisturizer daily after your shower, focusing on the areas with cellulite. If you don't have retinol, a regular moisturizer will also help keep your skin plump and hydrated, which minimizes the dimpled appearance. Finally, regular massage can be a powerful tool in your anti-cellulite toolkit. Massaging the affected areas helps break up the fatty deposits under your skin and improve circulation. You can use a simple massage oil or your regular body lotion. Here's how you do it. Use firm pressure and circular motions, working from the bottom of your legs upward. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes massaging each area where you notice cellulite. If you want to take it a step further, you can try a professional lymphatic drainage massage, which targets the fluid buildup in your tissues and can help reduce the appearance of cellulite over time. Several studies, including one published in Dermatologic Therapy, suggest that regular massage is effective in reducing the appearance of cellulite when paired with other methods. Cellulite is super common and not something to stress about. However, if you want to reduce its appearance, following these steps regularly will definitely help. Stay hydrated, try foam rolling, dry brushing, using caffeine or retinol-based creams, and don't forget to massage the area daily. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or want to share your experiences. We'd love to hear how these techniques work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.